Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating basics so you don't chase phantom problems. First, toggle airplane mode for a quick radio reset. This clears temporary radio faults. Once done, restart your phone and then the router, waiting 30 to 60 seconds to let hardware reinitialize. Make sure you try the correct SSID and password and confirm the router hasn't hit a device limit. Why? Because misidentified networks or overloaded routers are the most common causes of mobile Wi-Fi drops. Now you dig into configuration to remove lingering issues. Forget the network on your phone and reconnect so cached credentials and incorrect profiles are cleared. This fixes mismatched security or outdated keys. Next, check whether your phone is using static IP. Switch to DHCP to prevent address conflicts. Also update your phone OS and router firmware. Updates often resolve driver and compatibility bugs. After updates, reboot both devices. This sequence ensures new settings take effect and services restart cleanly. Finish by isolating environmental and device-level causes. Change the router channel or switch bands between 4 GHz and 5 GHz to avoid interference from neighbors and microwaves. This improves signal stability. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone to restore clean connection defaults, but note this removes saved Wi-Fi and VPN profiles. Finally, test with a different Wi-Fi network or a phone hotspot to confirm whether the issue is your device or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.